here's the biodiesel veg oil setup that I have. Here's all these canisters of used veg oil. Let's get some methanol in there too. Pipe goes all the way up along that rafter and goes into that tote. I have a drain off for all the chunkies that settle in, and then I can turn the knob and goes to that centrifuge. The purified oil will come down and fill this tank, and then the tank, when I'm ready, I turn that on and it goes into the ground on this side, and it comes up over here around my shop, and from that tube I fill my BioPro, and this is where I process biodiesel. This is where I need help to get this thing implemented.